Hi everyone. Today I am here with a haul from an estate sale. I went to this estate sale and the lady was actually a doll maker. So there were a couple rooms filled with lace and sewing materials and fabrics and appliques. It was crazy. I got there kind of late, so I wasn't able to dig as much as I wanted to, but maybe that was a blessing in disguise because I could have gone completely overboard. So I'm going to go ahead and show you everything that I got. I mainly, when I go to estate sales, I don't want to be spending. They had this thing going where it was fill a bag for $20, but sometimes I don't want to spend that much on an estate sale. So what I end up doing is I'll just make a little pile and just pick out little scraps that I like, especially with junk journals. You don't need that much stuff, you know? So I got this lace. Thought it was really pretty. It's just a little piece, but I'm fine with that. I got this. It looks like you put it around your neck and chest area and then you button in the back, but I really just liked the edge of it. So I'll play undo it. And then she had a ton of this kind of stuff. So I got that. I got a little bit more of that in a different color. And another length of that. And with junk journals, you don't need a lot. So I think this is going to last me a very long time. Thought that was cool. I got some of this ribbon. Thought that was cute. I think this is a collar. This is for a collar. So I got that. And like I said, a little bit more of this. Like I said, I just kind of gather bits and pieces, hoping they'll charge me a smaller price. You know, because I could have gotten a really good deal with fill a bag for $20, but I didn't want to spend $20. Thought that was pretty. Another applique. Another applique. Or is it lace? I thought this was pretty. And I like it that it's already in small pieces, so I don't have to like dismantle anything. Got that. So basically, all I got at this estate sale were laces. I think this looks like, is it crochet? That would be cool to put around a picture or something, since it's already a circle. Got this one. This was a nice one. Got this one. Got this one. This here. Actually, I got a lot of stuff. Some more collar pieces. I think I got a couple of this design. And then this one's more of a matte material, I think I only got one side of that. Got this one. I mean, they're all kind of similar, but I think buying these separately would be expensive. Super pretty. This one I love. This one. Okay, let me just lay this out. These are longer lengths of things. I love this. I think this is really pretty. Got this one. And I mean, a lot of these pieces, you don't need to use a whole piece for a page or an embellishment or whatever you're doing. Got this. So as you can tell, I was just picking out scraps, but really lacy scraps. It's outside. This one. I really love like that veil feeling. It just makes it very elegant looking. Got this one. Love the detail on the end there. This one. Not sure which side is the right side. And I think this was my favorite piece. Is it like a handkerchief or something? It's so like light. Feels like a veil almost, like this netting right here. Love that. Got some lace. Oops, sorry about that. And then I got this. Some white. Most of this was off-white, so that one's white. Got this one, a pretty long length of it. Thought that was super nice. Love it. Sorry, I'm picking something up from the ground. Alright, and then I found a kind of bigger piece in comparison to the rest of this. There we go. Love the detail there. Love it. And then these other bigger pieces also. This one's a pretty big piece. This one's more of a white. And then this one is a pretty long piece. Oh, I can smell that this is like a vintage. But yeah, her house was full of stuff. She was a doll maker. I saw some of the dolls that she made. They looked older, and she just had a ton of stuff, like trash bags full. There must have been at least like 20 or 30 trash bags in there. There was stuff under the bed, in the closet. They kept pulling more and more things out. And I usually don't get overwhelmed with when there's a lot of things. But I was like, oh my God, I better not go crazy. Because you could accumulate so much. People were leaving with trash bag fulls. But this is all I ended up with. This pile right here. Which, I mean, that's a lot. Especially if you're doing junk journals. This will last a long time. I also got this little length of... It's like a beaded type situation going on, like ribbon with beaded pearls. So I paid $3.18 for all of this, so I was pretty happy about that. I think if I'd gotten a whole bag full, I would have gotten a really good deal, and I would have gotten a lot of stuff, and I think I would have been overwhelmed with that. So I was really happy with this haul. I love going to estate sales. I tend to go when it's near the end so that they will give a bigger discount. I do not need more stuff. So I like just getting a little bit here and there. But yeah, let me know what kind of things you have been finding at estate sales, or if you've gone to one where the person did something cool like make dolls or something like that. All right, thank you. Bye.